here's the app called MAGICSHOT AI video generator, a new trending app in the categories of AI videos. Let's just, just try it out, open it up, how it works. I did video reviews of some other apps like Hula, like Video Max. So also watch them on my channel. You can turn text prompts into stunning photos or videos instantly, create countless video effects for your social media posts, easily create AI-generated images, videos, logos, avatars, audio, and more. Refine your photos with our advanced AI editing tools. So all of this functionality, and then you just have it in here. And then you can just tap continue. And then you can see weekly $5 per week, yearly $130 per year, where you can create, or you can just get like video content and just buy separate credits. So then, for example, you can create some prompts. You can select aspect ratio, and then there's like AI video. So you just need to select which version, which selects which credits are, how much credits will it get. And that's basically the idea. And then you just describe your video in detail. Let's start with something easy. And then just tap generate. You need to buy more credits. So that's like there is no some free trial, anything. And that's what it is. So you can sign up or sign in. Don't have an account, you can just easily sign in like this. There is no sign in with Apple or Google. And yeah, so you see all of the templates, a lot of trending kind of TikTok. Then there are logos, inspiration, trending posts. You can also create your AI avatar. You can create your all of these toolboxes, like, and then there is a history, and then there is like an Instagram feed of people who are generating this, just like it. So that's the idea. They don't have any invite referral codes, seems like that, so that's a bit of a bummer, but that's the app.